days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Guys, it's your girl T. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a regular thank you for passing by. So in today's video, I'll be installing these units from Lucy Hair. It is a 14 inches kinky curls, so you're gonna check them out on Instagram as well as on TikTok. Lucy Hair. I'm gonna put their Instagram and TikTok handle on the screen.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm at the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what have you done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Just think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from your mouth. And we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. You think time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what have you done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from your mouth. And we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me, boy. Me up, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You study more than my heart. You give my everything, so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Step on that ground. I need to hear it from your mouth. And we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Study me, yeah. Don't fuck me up, don't fuck me up. Don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change to me, a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. Oh, just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Installation right now because currently the time is it's 2 minutes to 7 o'clock p.m. So tomorrow I'm going on a date and I'll be vlogging. I want to look stunning, and this makeup I want to do it tomorrow. So I was just testing out which eyeshadow goes with this hair. So like, I don't know guys, but you know what happens to me when I'm doing makeup now? When I'm not going anywhere, I will nail my makeup, I will nail my installation. But when I have to go somewhere, it doesn't turn out good. I don't know why. Maybe it's because, I don't know, I'm under pressure. I just feel under pressure and I can't really work when I'm stressed. Like, I'm trying to be in a hurry, you understand? So, just imagine I have to go to sleep with this beauty. Oh my goodness, let me just take TikTok content. Please follow me on TikTok as well as on IG. I go by Tembega Tebekulu, Tembega_Tebekulu on IG, and then Tembega Tebekulu on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching this video up until this far. Until we meet again tomorrow, goodbye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna be lit and you don't want to miss that, so subscribe.